Be honest, how many tabs do you have open right now? If your browser looks like a tiny row of panic buttons, Google Labs is testing something made for you, a project called Disco. The big idea is called Gen Tabs, and it's basically AI that takes the mess you already have open, your tabs, and turns it into a purpose-built interactive tool. Not a summary, not another document, more like a mini app built from your browsing session. Here's what that means in real life. Let's say you're planning a trip. You open tabs for flights, hotels, maps, best neighborhoods articles, maybe a spreadsheet, maybe a dozen must-see lists. Suddenly, you're juggling 30 windows and losing your mind. With Gen Tabs, you can tell it your goal, like turn these tabs into a trip planner. And it can organize everything into one place: an itinerary style layout, key links grouped by category, a checklist for what to book next, and a clean hub you can actually use. Now, meal prep. You've got recipes, nutrition info, and a grocery store site open. GenTabs can help turn that into a weekly plan with a shopping list, grouped ingredients, and a what to cook first flow based on what you already found across your tabs. And research might be the biggest one. If you're reading a bunch of sources, GenTabs can turn scattered pages into a research dashboard. Grouped topics, a source list, key themes, and follow-up questions, so you don't have to keep refinding the same article you opened 3 hours ago. The point is, your browser stops being a pile of tabs and starts being a tool builder. The AI uses your context, what you opened and what you're trying to do, to shape the web into something organized. But there's a trade-off, and it's important. For GenTabs to work, it needs awareness of your open tabs and your browsing context. So the big questions become: what data is being used, what's being saved, what's being shared, and what controls you get. Bottom line, Disco is an attempt to make the browser feel less like chaos and more like a command center. So here's my question. Would you let AI turn your tabs into an app? And what would you want to keep private?